to run more efficiently, saving you money on your energy bills. By investing in regular air duct cleaning, you're investing in the health and well-being of your family. You're also ensuring that your HVAC system operates at peak performance, saving you money and extending its lifespan. Your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you can relax and breathe easy. But what if the air you're breathing isn't as clean as you think? Air ducts, the hidden pathways of your HVAC system, can harbor dust, allergens, and even mold. These contaminants circulate throughout your home every time your system runs. Clean air ducts are essential for a healthy indoor environment. They reduce allergens and irritants, improving respiratory health for everyone in your home. Clean ducts also allow your HVAC system to run more efficiently, saving you money on your energy bills. By investing in regular air duct cleaning, you're investing in the health and well-being of your family. You're also ensuring that your HVAC system operates at peak performance, saving you money and extending its lifespan. Air conditioning systems are complex, with many components that must work together seamlessly. These systems are designed to provide comfort and efficiency, but they require regular attention and maintenance to function optimally. When one part malfunctions, it can affect the entire system, leading to a cascade of issues that can be both inconvenient and costly. Here are some common problems that can arise and how to address them effectively. Dust jams. Over time, dust and debris accumulate in your air ducts, restricting airflow. This buildup can significantly reduce the efficiency of your system. This forces your system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills and premature wear and tear on the components. Regular cleaning of air ducts and filters can prevent this issue. Water leakage, clogged drain lines, or condensation buildup can cause water to leak from your AC unit. This is often due to a lack of regular maintenance. This can damage your walls, ceilings, and belongings, leading to expensive repairs. Ensuring that drain lines are clear and functioning can help avoid this problem. Freezing up. A frozen AC unit is often a sign of low refrigerant levels or restricted airflow. This can severely impact the performance of your system. If you notice ice on your unit, turn it off immediately and call a technician. Addressing this issue promptly can prevent further damage. Disrupted airflow. Poorly designed or obstructed ductwork can lead to uneven temperatures and reduced air quality. This can make your home uncomfortable and increase energy consumption. Regular maintenance can prevent many of these problems. By keeping your system in good condition, you can ensure it runs efficiently and lasts longer. By scheduling annual tune-ups and addressing issues promptly, you can keep your AC system running smoothly for years to come. Regular checkups not only enhance performance, but also extend the lifespan of your unit, saving you money in the long run. Just like any other appliance in your home, your air conditioning system requires regular maintenance to function properly. Neglecting maintenance can lead to costly repairs and a decrease in indoor air quality. Regular maintenance involves more than just changing the air filter, although that is an important first step. It also includes cleaning the evaporator and condenser coils, checking refrigerant levels, and inspecting the ductwork for leaks or obstructions. By scheduling annual maintenance with a qualified HVAC technician, you can identify and address potential problems before they become major headaches. Regular maintenance helps to improve indoor air quality, increase energy efficiency, extend the lifespan of your system, and prevent costly repairs. Professional air duct cleaning is a multi-step process that removes dust, allergens, and other contaminants from your HVAC system. Here's a general overview of the process. Inspection. A technician will inspect your ductwork to assess its condition and determine the best cleaning method. Preparation. Furniture and other belongings may need to be moved to allow access to vents and registers. Cleaning specialized equipment, such as high-powered vacuums and rotating brushes, is used to dislodge and remove contaminants from the ductwork. Sealing, optional. If your ductwork has leaks, a sealant can be applied to improve its efficiency and prevent future air leaks. Sanitizing, optional. A sanitizing agent can be applied to kill bacteria and other microorganisms, further improving your indoor air quality. Section 5. Safety First Certified Disinfection and Protection. When it comes to air duct cleaning, safety should be a top priority. It's essential to choose a reputable company that uses certified disinfection methods and follows strict safety protocols. Look for a company that uses EPA-registered disinfectants and employs technicians who are trained and certified in air duct cleaning. These professionals will take steps to protect your home and belongings during the cleaning process. During the cleaning process, technicians should wear personal protective equipment such as masks and gloves to prevent the spread of contaminants. They should also use drop cloths and other protective coverings to prevent damage to your furniture and floors. Section 6. High-tech cleaning advanced tools for a thorough job. Gone are the days of simply sweeping dust out of air ducts. Today's air duct cleaning professionals use a variety of advanced tools and technologies to ensure a thorough cleaning. Rotobrush technology. This innovative technology uses rotating brushes to dislodge dirt and debris from the duct walls, while a powerful vacuum sucks up the contaminants. Negative pressure systems. These systems create negative pressure within the ductwork, drawing contaminants out of the system and into a HEPA-filtered containment unit. Ultra-low volume ULV fogging. This method uses a fine mist to disperse disinfectants throughout the ductwork, killing bacteria, viruses, and mold spores. These advanced technologies allow for a more efficient and effective cleaning, ensuring that your air ducts are free of dust, allergens, and other contaminants. Section 7. The pros know best benefits of professional air duct cleaning. While you can certainly take steps to improve your indoor air quality yourself, such as changing your air filter regularly, there's no substitute for professional air duct cleaning. Professionals have specialized tools and expertise to thoroughly clean your ducts, ensuring that every nook and cranny is free from dust and debris. Here are just a few of the benefits of hiring the pros. Improved indoor air quality. Professional cleaning removes dust, allergens, and other contaminants that can trigger allergies and respiratory problems. This means you and your family can breathe easier and enjoy a healthier living environment. Increased energy efficiency. Clean air ducts allow your HVAC system to run more efficiently, saving you money on your energy bills. When your system doesn't have to work as hard to push air through clean ducts, it uses less energy, which is good for both your wallet and the environment. Extended system lifespan. Regular cleaning prevents dust and debris from building up and damaging your system, extending its lifespan. This means fewer costly repairs and replacements over time, giving you peace of mind. Reduced risk of mold growth. Cleaning and sanitizing your ductwork can help prevent the growth of mold, which can be harmful to your health. Mold spores can spread through your home, causing respiratory issues and other health problems, so keeping your ducts clean is essential. Section 8. How often should you clean your air ducts? The frequency with which you should clean your air ducts depends on a variety of factors, including the environment you live in, the presence of pets, and any health issues within your household. Climate. Homes in dusty or humid climates may require more frequent cleanings. Dust and humidity can accumulate quickly, leading to potential blockages and reduced air quality. Pets shed fur and dander, which can contribute to poor indoor air quality. If you have multiple pets, the need for cleaning becomes even more critical. Allergies and respiratory issues. If you or a family member suffers from allergies or respiratory problems, more frequent cleanings may be beneficial. Clean air ducts can help reduce allergens and improve overall air quality. As a general rule of thumb, it's recommended to have your air ducts cleaned every 3 to 5 years. This helps maintain a healthy living environment and ensures your HVAC system operates efficiently. However, if you notice any of the following signs, it may be time for a cleaning sooner. Regular inspections can help you identify these issues early. Visible mold growth inside the ducts or on HVAC components is a clear indicator that cleaning is necessary. Mold can pose serious health risks if left unchecked. A persistent musty odor coming from your vents can signal mold or mildew growth, which should be addressed immediately to prevent further contamination. Excessive dust buildup on furniture and surfaces is another sign that your air ducts may need cleaning. Dust can circulate through your home, affecting air quality. Increased allergy or asthma symptoms among household members can also indicate that your air ducts are due for a cleaning. Clean ducts can help alleviate these symptoms and promote better health. Section 9. Breathe deeply. Enjoy fresh